Well, welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute since I filmed, and I know I've been starting every single video off with that lately, but it's like, it really has been. I've been so lazy with doing this lately, and I don't know why. It really like breaks my heart because this is what I want to do, but like, I don't know, I just haven't been motivated, and I know I'm making excuses, but I am lazy. But in other news today, I went shopping and I did some damage. So I wanted to sit down and film a haul video for you guys because I figured that would be fun. And I know that you guys enjoyed watching haul videos, and it's been almost a year since I did my first haul video. Now, that video will be linked up in this corner up here for you guys. That was the Ulta haul, I believe, August of last year. Today's haul is going to be clothes, not makeup. There is like one makeup thing related in here, you guys will see that. But without further ado, I am going to show you guys everything I got on my haul today. So the first thing I got was from Sephora, and I told you I did get one makeup related thing. So let's sort out all these receipts. So I did end up getting the new Sapphire Beauty Blender. Now this is what it looks like. It's just a blue beauty blender. It is cute because it came with these little, oh, it didn't come with crystals in it? Oh, I thought it came with little sequins in it, but I guess it did. So I don't think there's any difference between this one and the other beauty blenders. I think this one is just blue, and the color attracted me in because blue is my favorite color, as you can see on my walls up there, and I am wearing a blue shirt. So I did get this, but it was my birthday recently. It was last month. It was a few weeks ago, and I forgot to stop in there and get my birthday gift, so I just asked the girl if she would give it to me today, and she did, even though technically you're supposed to go in the month of your birthday. I just never really had the time to stop in and go to Ulta, and it wasn't really on my list of things to do. So I stopped in today and I got my birthday gift. So this is, I think it's a lipstick trio from Bite Beauty. I'll show you guys what the box looks like. So that's what it is. So let's open it up and see what's in here because I don't really know myself. There is a, this is like a lip crayon. See that? So that's cool. That's actually a pretty color. Looks like there's a little bullet lipstick in here as well. Oh my god, look how tiny that is. That's so tiny. That's a really pretty color too. So that's what that shade looks like. That's a shade Chai. Now I'm not positive if these are available to buy in full sizes because I know the Tarte last year with their birthday kit it wasn't available in a full size, but then later on down the line it did become available in a full size, so not positive. I don't really know a lot about Bite Beauty, I just know I really like their lipsticks. This is Agave Lip Balm, so it comes in this little carton like this, and these are what the actual lip balms look like. It's focusing for you, I don't really know. Those, I don't know. I'm a little scared to try those, not gonna lie. But those are the two things that I got from Sephora, and Lord knows I needed a new beauty blender because mine is old and crusty and really gross. So the next store I went into was Victoria's Secret because I saw that they were still having their semi-annual sale, and I ended up getting not one but two of these Victoria's Secret perfume roller balls. Now these retail for $18, but they were on sale today for $4.50 each, and they discontinued this scent, which I'm like really heartbroken about. I got one of these for Christmas and I fell in love with the scent, so I knew I had to go back and get more. But they discontinued this scent, but they bring back their discontinued scents for the semi-annual sale, I believe. So I had to stop in and I got what was left. So there were two left and I got two of them. This is the XO Victoria, that is the name of it. And this is what the little roller ball itself looks like. It's really cute packaging. I don't know, I mean if you like sweet scents you'd like this because I like sweet scents a lot. It's like sweet and florally. That's the best way I could put it. I don't know what the notes are in it. And I don't think, oh, the notes are Victoria Rose, Lady Apple, and English Ivy. So perfect. So roses. Ah, it just fell. Oh, good thing it was close. So yeah, very sweet scent, and they were only $4.50 each. So that was perfect because, like I said, they retail for $18 normally, but unfortunately you can't get that scent in stores anymore because it is discontinued. So the next store I went into was Zara. Now, I never got anything from Zara before. This is my first Zara purchase, and that's just mainly because every time I go in there I never really find anything that I like. But they were having a big sale today, and I did try this dress on, and I like really fell in love with it. And I was with Hannah, and she was like, definitely buy that, because I was having like some second thoughts in it. I was gonna tell her that I was gonna sit on the idea of getting it, and if I thought about it later, then I would come back and buy it. She's like, just buy it because it's on sale. So this is the dress that I got. Hold on. Let me put the tie, like a little necktie around for you. So let me zoom it out too. So this is the dress that I got from Zara. I still don't know if you can see it all the way. And it's super cute because it has this little necktie in it. So it ties around the collar. Not like totally different from the things that I wear, but it's a little bit different from the things that I wear, and I like really like this a lot. And it's only $25, so I got that. And then the next place we went to was Charlotte Russe. I really don't know why they gave me this big of a bag because there's only 2 tiny little things in here. So I got this like super cute outfit from Charlotte Russe. So I got this little crop top. This is only $5 on the clearance rack. So like I couldn't really go wrong with getting that. Because I always need white tops, and it's summertime and it's really hot in Jersey right now. It was like 100 degrees the other day. So can never go wrong with $5 crop top. And then I got this little skirt, which is like super cute, and it ties like right up here, and I got that as an outfit together. Now this was $15, and I had a problem with that. It rang up for the original price of like $22, and I was like pretty sure the sign said 15, but we didn't really have a problem. We just told her and she adjusted it for us, which was really nice. The last place we went to was Forever 21, and I did get like a good amount of stuff in here. So the first thing I got is this really cute pearled sweater. So if you know me, you know I love pearls. They are my birthstone, and I've been obsessed with them for so long. And now they're like all over jeans, all over sweaters, all over anything in fashion, I feel like. So this I got on sale. It is long sleeved, and Hannah actually was the one that showed it to me on the rack, and she's like, no, you totally should get this. Like, it's only $7. So you have to get it, and you can wear it to like the beach or something, which I probably will do. This is one thing I didn't try on in the store today, but it is super cute, and I'm finally glad that I got it. It probably will be a pain in the butt to wash. I think I'm just going to wash it inside out when I wash it, so that way the pearls don't detach themselves from the actual sweater itself. So this was marked, the original price is $24.90. It was on sale for $15.50, and I got it for like $7.50. So that was definitely a steal, and it was in my size. And if you know Forever 21, you know it's constantly a mess, and trying to go through that clearance rack is just a nightmare within itself. So she found it, and like my God's blessing, it was in my size. So I picked it up and I ran with it. The next thing I got is this super cute dress. So it's this like lemon pattern dress, if you can see, and it has some polka dots on it, but I love the color. And I actually saw this a couple of months ago, and Hannah and I went to the Limerick outlets in Pennsylvania, and I didn't get it then, but like my motto is, if you don't get it, and you go home and you think about it, then you should go back and get it. And like literally ever since we left the outlets that day, I have been thinking about this dress, and I finally saw it today and I got it. And this was, I think, $22.90. Oh, it was $19.90. And it just ties in the middle. Really cute and flowy, and it's really lightweight, so I always dress it up with like a cute makeup look, or I can put some really cute fancy jewelry on if I want to, but you can also definitely dress it down too if you want, which is like the best of both worlds with that dress, and I love that so much. The next thing I got, oh my god, I love this so much. So the next thing I got is this really cute tank top. It totally gives me like that 70s show vibes. And if you know me, you know that 70s show is my all-time favorite show, so of course I had to get it. So this is just a really cute tank top. There's nothing really a lot to say about it. It's that it goes great with jean shorts, it goes great with white shorts, or even pink if you found like that color pink. And this is, I think, $7.90 or $8.90, I think. This was $8.90, so it's just a pretty cute tank top just to have if you need something to throw on, or just to jeans or anything, like I said. Last thing I picked up today was this, oh my god, this is so cute, this super cute romper. So you could see at the bottom here that these are shorts, which is super cute, and it ties right in the middle, which is like really cute, because then I can kind of have like my shape back to me. It's not just one straight down thing. I can hug myself in the waist area and have it go in, which would be really flattering. And then excuse me, this zipper kind of goes all the way down, which is really nice. But it's super cute. And this was $27.90, so this is like the most expensive thing out of everything. I got it for Forever 21 today, but it's really cute, and it's not riding up in the wrong places or too loose up here. Now I have a weird like body shape when it comes to rompers and everything, because my torso is really long, so sometimes smalls are too small on me because they'll ride up too much because my torso isn't made for that, and if I get a medium, it'll be like too baggy on my shoulders, so sometimes I can't really win with rompers, and it is hard for me to find, excuse me, a romper that fits. But this one fit really well. It looks really cute on, and it's super comfortable to move in. So yeah, that was everything I got today in my haul. Not too much, but enough to make a cute little video out of it for you guys. So if you enjoyed this type of video, definitely let me know in the comments below. And if you just enjoyed this video overall, definitely be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. And if you're not already, definitely subscribe to my channel, and definitely turn on that notification bell, because who knows when I post around here anymore. I really love to keep it consistent, so hopefully I'll work towards keeping it more consistent for you guys and keeping this channel alive and active for you guys, so that way you can come here and watch all the content hopefully you like to see. But until then, be sure to also follow me on all my socials. I will have those links down below for you guys. And yeah, I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.